How to change keyboard on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. Then, scroll down and go to Keyboard. You can manage all your keyboard settings from here. Tap on Keyboards at the top. You can choose a keyboard from here. For example, Gboard. Here, turn on the Allow Full Access option. Tap on Allow to confirm. Now, go back and open up the Messages app. In the Messages page, go to the top right corner and tap on the new message icon. Here, go to the text bar below and tap on it to open the keyboard. Then, tap on the icon at the bottom left corner. Select Gboard from here. As you can see, you are now using the Gboard keyboard. Following these steps, you can easily change keyboard on iPhone.